guys, welcome back to Hartley Creativity. So today we're going to learn chemical reaction and equation class 10th. So last time we understood this is part 2. So remember guys, this is part 2 and let's understand what is skeletal equation. So last time we understood what skeletal equation, but let's just recap. So it is nothing but unbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal equation, and this example is given which is unbalanced. Now activity 1.1. This caution, this activity needs the teacher's assistance. It would be better if students wear eye protection. Why? Because this ash is formed, it can go through your eyes or go to your eyes, or there is an when magnesium oxide is formed, that means when magnesium ribbon is burned with a burner, there is a ultraviolet light formed over there, which is not good for your eyes. So that's why they say to wear eye protection. Clean a magnesium ribbon about 2 cm. 2 cm magnesium ribbon you need to clean, and you need to rub it with sandpaper. Why they're talking about rubbing it with sandpaper is that it's there in the ncert questions, that why do they rub it with sandpaper? Why can't we take it like that? We cannot take it like that because if it is reacting with magnesium, carbon dioxide and oxygen, then the reaction of this process will be really slow. So you need to rub the sandpaper, because there is in magnesium ribbon there is magnesium carbonate formed where you need to rub so the reaction becomes quick. Okay, hold it with a pair of tongs, burn it using a spirit lamp or burner, and collect the ash so formed. So formed is in the watch glass as shown in figure 1.1. Burn the magnesium ribbon, keeping it as far as possible from your eyes. As I said, there's an ultraviolet light. What do you observe? Let's see, what do we observe? So see, that's the burner. We have seen the tongue. Tongue is nothing but which you hold with the ribbon, magnesium ribbon, and magnesium ribbon is heated. So what happens is observation. We understand this is the chemical equation. 2 Mg plus O2 gives me magnesium oxide. So magnesium ribbon, which is reacting with oxygen, gives me magnesium oxide. Now observation, magnesium ribbon. So magnesium ribbon is formed, and that is white ash. So deposits on the china dish. Magnesium is a highly reactive metal. It reacts spontaneously with oxygen present in the atmosphere to form white ash of magnesium oxide with the liberation of energy. So guys, liberation of energy, important. If they ask, give me a chemical equation where liberation of energy is formed, you should always write 2Mg plus O2. Now activity 1.2. Take a lead nitrate solution in a test tube which is colorless. Important, colorless. Point like the colorless. It is colorless. Add potassium iodine solution to this. That is also colorless. So before that, when lead nitrate and potassium iodine is formed, that time yellow precipitate is formed. So remember, lead nitrate is colorless, potassium iodine is also colorless, but when they both get mixed up, it becomes a yellow precipitate. PbL2 is the precipitate. So PbNO32 plus 2Ki plus PbI2 plus 2KNO3 is the reaction. We have found the reaction. Now here, see, as I said, lead nitrate is already made. That's why it is aqueous solution. Even potassium iodine is also aqueous solution. Now precipitate, yellow precipitate is going to become solid. So that is solid. Okay, so yellow precipitate appears at the bottom. Yes, we have seen the yellow precipitate. You can see this is solid and explanation. Lead nitrate and potassium iodine both are colorless. They react with each other to form yellow precipitate of lead iodide. Lead iodide is nothing but PbL2 PbI2 and settle down at the bottom of the tube. So that is the solid state. So that is solid. That's why we talking about that. Okay. So thank you guys. In the next class we'll learn about chemical equation and reaction. So keep watching Heartly Creativity. Dum dum boom.